Where is everybody? Are they still sleeping? But it's already daylight. I want to have some fun. Hey guys, why don't you come here? Oh wow, what a nice entry. What do you want to do? Do you want to play ball? Yeah, let's play ball. What a nice day. Yes, it is. Do you want to race? Yeah, let's race. Let's call the rest of the crew. Maybe they'll come. Hey! Hey guys! Come here! Yeah! Oh! It seems like everybody's waking up. It's good. Hey! Did you brush your teeth? Yes, I did. And you? Of course I did. I want to have nice teeth. Hey, you know what? I need to get my oil changed. Oh, really? Yes. I didn't change my oil in a long time. Hey, good. So you have to change it because you may break down. Alright, let's do the oil change. Oh, I fell. I need help. I need help. I can't get up. Oh, fell down. Let me help you. Alright. Finally, I can change my oil. But who will change the oil for you? I don't know. Maybe he might change the oil. It seems like he knows how to do it. Okay, the oil's changed. You're ready to go. Vroom. Okay guys, you can go and play now. Oh, thank you! Thank you for changing my oil! Hey guys, can I join you? It's weekend, so I can play with you. I don't have to work today. Oh, of course, you can play with us. Oh, let's go to the lake. Hey boys, what are you doing here? Are you going to swim? Yes, we want to go and play in the water because it's very hot today. Alright, play in the water. Just make sure that you watch for each other, okay? And when you leave all together. Don't leave anybody behind in the water. Okay, we'll do it. Bye, have fun. Boom! Oh, guys, sorry, I pressed the wrong button, but nothing happened, okay? Nothing happened to you. See you later. Okay, let's splash in the water. Oh, it's so much fun. It's so much fun. Let's go. Oh, why are you not coming with us? Oh, because I can't start my engine. Something happened. I think we have to call a tow truck. Hey guys, did you call me? Yes, His engine got wet and he can't get out of the water. Okay, let me help you. Oh, I think we need more help. I can get him out. Oh, look, the fire truck is coming. Let's call him. Hey, youngsters, what's going on? Oh, we are in water and he was in water and he can't get out. Let me think. Oh, look who's here. Let's move, he can get him out. Let's watch on the side. Yes. All right. Now you can go and rest, so you can dry, and then you will be able to start your engine. Bye, guys. Oh, look! It's an air show. The fighter jets are coming through. Whoa! Wow, the fighter jets landed on the road. Let's go and watch them. Oh, my engine drive. I can drive now. Oh. Hey, fighter jets, are you okay? Why did you land here? It's not the airport. Oh, we just wanted to play with you guys. We'll be here for a few minutes and then we'll fly away. Okay? Oh yes, that's fine. Oh, look out! The race cars are coming. Ooh. Hey guys, what are you doing standing in the middle of the road? We were racing and we almost ran into you. Oh, we're just playing here. We're just playing here, but we'll be flying away. Okay guys, we're flying away. Hey, can you move so I can start? Yes, I can. Bye-bye guys. So who are you racing with? You are only by yourself. Oh, because I was driving so fast and everybody fell behind. Oh, hey guys, I almost couldn't stop. I'm glad I saw you. Otherwise I would be in an accident. Oh, we're just hanging out here. We are having fun on the Saturday night. Oh, let's play some ball. It's so much fun playing ball. Yes, it is. Oh, look! What is it? I think it's a huge window. Who could leave the window by the lake? Hey guys, I dropped something. I have to pick it up. Oh, can you help me guys? Of course we can help you. Boom, boom. Hey guys, we have to go and continue the race. But if you want to hang out here, I suggest you stay off the road. Otherwise, we may run into you. Yes, that's a very good advice. Hey, what's going on? What is this? Oh, somebody dropped it. Oh, we have to clean it up because we can't leave the stuff like this by the lake. Okay, whom are we going to call to pick it up? Oh, I know who dropped it. It was a camper that was driving by. Oh, look, the camper is here. Hey, camper, you dropped something. You got to pick it up. Oh, thank you guys. I didn't touch it properly. Okay. Oh, it fell again. I will make sure I will be driving slower so it doesn't fall. Okay, bye guys, have fun. Oh, look, he dropped it again. He's so clumsy. Okay, I will pick it up for him. Oh, you know, it's so steep, that's why it falls. Hey guys, is everything okay? Yes. Oh, I think it's getting dark. I think you should drive home. Alright. Well. Oh, I can drive. I ran out of gas. Let's see what we can do to help you. Oh, hey, transport car. Can you pick him up? He ran out of gas. Yes, I can. Ooh, I can fit here. Okay, we'll do it differently. Jump, jump. Alright, we can go now. It's getting dark. Let's get home. Let me check if everything is okay. Everything seems fine. Bye guys, have fun.